That over the past several weeks, it's had to feel as if you are either a single ship at sea as the storm and the waves kind of crashed over you. At times you may have felt a little bit alone, and at times you may have felt you were in the midst of a war zone. We will never know, those of us who don't work within these four walls, what it's like to be in the midst of the work that you do. We've been on the outside hoping and praying for you. Some of us, I say quite personally, have experienced what it's like to be locked out in some ways from loved ones and family members struggling with the disease or just any other health issue as you have cared for them. I want you to know on behalf of the nearly 300,000 people who call Dutchess County home, we will never be able to express adequately our gratitude to each of you. This may be a week that we celebrate all of you, but I can assure you that you deserve 51 more of them, and that we as a county and as a community will be forever grateful. We are, as I said some weeks ago, starting to see the beginning of the tide turning. The waves are calming, the boat is steadying, and it feels like we can see daybreak. And I think that's what I want to leave you with. You know, every morning as the sun kind of creeps out over the Catskill Mountains, there's that sort of moment of quiet peace when we can see the sky change in color, when it's silent. Maybe your kids are still asleep, if you're lucky. Mine are not. But at that moment when day breaks, we get that sense that there's an opportunity to do something great for the next 24 hours. That new day provides us some opportunity to be better in some way. Well, we've weathered the day, we've weathered the night, and this is daybreak. And over the course of the next several weeks, we're going to be given an opportunity to shine on ourselves what goodness looks like, what compassion feels like, and what hope ought to be. And there are people struggling all across our nation and our community today, and they need to know that there's hope. You are the embodiment of that hope. You are the living, breathing embodiment of what happens when people put others ahead of themselves and sacrifice for the betterment of others. I don't know that we will learn all of the lessons we should during this crisis. I don't know that we'll learn all of them. But I can tell you that we will use you as an example as to what it means to care, what it means to love, and what it means to sacrifice for others. And with that, with the dawn of this new day, I hope that we learn gratitude and that we can express not only to you, but to others the thanks that you deserve and the compassion that you have shown all of us. God bless you and thank you.